What's next for pricing in manufacturing? As inflation stabilizes, customers demand concessions, but costs remain high. How can you communicate value, justify price increases, and avoid a race to the bottom? In a world driven by data, gut instinct is no longer enough. Are you unlocking the power of data to optimize your pricing strategies and drive growth? And what about collaboration? Siloed teams mean missed opportunities. Is your organization ready to break barriers and build a value-driven pricing culture? Join us in Berlin for the Manufacturing Pricing Forum 2025, where industry leaders meet to tackle the critical challenges of tomorrow. It's time to transform insights into action. Click here to find out more.